Hello, it's Mirren, and I'm a second year maths student here at the University of Bath. Today, I'm going to be talking about how having a tidy desk helps me to have a tidy mind. So, why do I think it's important to have a tidy desk? So, for me, having a tidy desk means that I have one less thing to worry about when it comes to exams. If I want to work, I can just sit down at my desk and get on with working. It's one fewer distraction to deal with. Obviously, I still find it hard to work. I think we're all finding it hard working in different times. I find it really helpful to make sure that not just my desk is tidy, but also the space around me that I'm using. Having a tidy space, I think, means that you can have more space in your brain to focus on other things. And for me, I find this particularly beneficial when it comes to mental health. I think being able to separate my work and my rest as well is really important. And so I try to only work at my desk instead of working in my bed. I do sometimes work downstairs or in the library when I can. But if you can, even if it's mentally that you only work in certain hours, or when you're relaxing, you put away all of your working things. Having that mental space and that mental difference can be really helpful. One thing that's really important about having a tidy desk is keeping distractions far away. So that means I try and put my phone maybe on the other side of the room or just on my bookshelves so that I can't see it if I get a notification. It's really important to have the important things that you need whilst working accessible to you. So for me, that's my pencil case, some water. Having a tidy desk also means making the space your own and finding out what works for you. You might be working on a coffee table, you might be working on a kitchen table, you might be working in a cafe or at your desk in your room. There are lots of different places to work. So for me, I find it really helpful to have kind of nice memories of people in my life near me, nice thing to look at when I'm a bit bored. I also find it really helpful to be positioned near a window if possible because then you get lots of natural light to keep you awake as you're working. It's making sure that when you're working, you're making it as easy as possible for you to work. So it might be that you have a break to go and get a cup of tea, or you make sure you go for walks. All these kind of things contribute to having a really lovely working environment to be in.